Hello everyone, welcome to Shubha Advisory. In this video, we will delve into the specifics of the Go Digit General Insurance Company IPO. If you're an investor considering initial public offerings, IPOs, this information could be valuable. Go Digit General Insurance is gearing up for its IPO. The subscription period for Go Digit General Insurance begins on 15th May 2024. And continues until 17th May 2024. The face value of each share is 10 rupees. Allocation of IPO shares is scheduled for 21st May 2024, with an anticipated listing on the stock exchange on 23rd May 2024. In this IPO, the share price is estimated to range between 258 rupees to 272, and the lot size is set at 55 shares. The minimum investment for retail individual investors for one lot is 14,190 rupees. The valuation of the Go Digit General Insurance IPO stands at 2,614.65 crores rupees. Go Digit General Insurance is backed by cricketer Virat Kohli, who is also the brand ambassador of the company. Cricketer Virat Kohli and his Bollywood actress wife, Anushka Sharma, have both invested in Go Digit General Insurance Company. In January 2020, Virat Kohli purchased 266,667 shares at a unit price of Rs. 75 each through a private placement, resulting in a total investment of approximately 2 crore rupees. At the same time, Anushka Sharma made an investment of 50 lakh rupees, purchasing 66,667 shares of the company at 75 rupees per share. Both are expecting to receive a 271% return on their investment in the Go Digit General Insurance IPO. Positive update: the insurance sector is showing promising growth, indicating strong demand in the grey market. Important note: while the company has growth potential, its financials appear weak. It's worth noting that insurance company IPOs are generally considered long-term investments. Investors should anticipate slight profit or loss, 5 to 10%, on the listing day. Currently, there is trading activity for these shares in the grey market, with the grey market premium ranging between 50 rupees to 70. This suggests that the current value of the shares in the grey market is between 322 rupees to 342. Go Digit General Insurance started in 2016. Jasleen Kohli leads the company as managing director. They're a digital full-stack insurance company. Full-stack insurers handle everything in-house, like sourcing, underwriting, and servicing, all under regulatory supervision. Using technology, they offer various non-life insurance products: motor, health, travel, property, marine, and liability insurance. Customers have flexibility to customize these offerings to suit their individual needs. They have 74 active products available directly to customers on their websites and through web aggregators. As of 31st December 2023, they serve 43.26 million customers across various policies. The company reported revenue from operations of 2,251.99 crores rupees, 3,840.96 crores rupees, and 5,885.45 crores rupees in financial year 2021, 2022, and 2023 respectively. For the same periods, the company reported a profit after tax, PAT, of negative 122.76 crores rupees, negative 295.86 crores rupees, and 35.55 crores rupees respectively. For more news on IPOs and valuable insights on personal finance and tax planning, please like, share, and subscribe to Shubha Advisory as a token of love. Let's be friends. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram as Shubha Advisory.